I pre-made a couple circles. We're going to go over to the toolbar on the left, select the Shape Builder tool. With the two circles selected, we want to drag the Shape Builder tool down the middle to morph them into one shape. This is called adding. To trim off parts of the shape that we don't want, we hold the Option key while using the Shape Builder tool. This is called subtracting. Let me show you what this looks like in context. Here we have a Twitter logo made up of circles, and I'm going to start off by adding the shapes together that I want to keep. Next, I'm going to go around the outsides and trim away, subtract all of the parts of the shapes that I don't want. That's the Shape Builder tool. I hope it was helpful. See you next week.